Hey gorgeous! If you're a teen struggling with combination skin, pigmentation, dryness, early fine lines, or dark circles, you're not alone. I've got a gentle, easy-to-follow beauty plan made just for you. Let's dive into 8 glow-up beauty tips that are safe, budget-friendly, and perfect for your skin. Tip 1. Hydrate first, always. Combination skin can be tricky, oily in some spots, dry in others. So, start your day with a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer, something with aloe vera or hyaluronic acid. At night, switch to a creamier formula with ceramides or niacinamide to help repair and nourish the dry areas. You can also DIY your own hydration boost by mixing aloe vera gel with a few drops of glycerin. It's magic for dry patches. Tip 2. Brighten that pigmentation. Pigmentation can happen from sun exposure or acne scars. Use natural brighteners like vitamin C, licorice extract, or turmeric masks. Here's a DIY tip. Mix a pinch of turmeric, some honey, and plain yogurt. Apply it twice a week for 10 minutes. Remember, stay away from harsh scrubs. Stick to gentle exfoliation only once a week with rice water or a PHA toner. Tip 3. Say bye to fine lines early. Fine lines showing up already? That's just your skin asking for hydration. Look for serums with hyaluronic acid, and don't skip eye care. Apply chilled green tea bags or a drop of almond oil under the eyes every night. It soothes, smooths, and softens. Tip 4. Banish those dark circles. Dark circles can be from late night studying, screen time, or even dehydration. Pop some cucumber slices or potato juice under your eyes for 10 minutes, super refreshing. For an easy fix, dab on aloe vera mixed with a tiny bit of coffee oil at night. Oh, and don't forget your water, hydration is key. Tip 5. Cleanse, don't strip. Wash your face twice daily, no more, no less. Use a gentle foaming cleanser that's alcohol and sulfate-free. Rinse with lukewarm water and follow up with a toner. Rose water or green tea works wonders. Tip 6. Sunscreen is your bestie. Even if you're just at school or indoors, your skin needs protection. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen every single morning. Look for a gel-based one that won't clog your pores. And if you're outside for long, remember to reapply every 2 hours. Tip 7. Teen makeup, keep it light. Less is more. Use a tinted moisturizer or BB cream instead of foundation. Conceal only where needed, like under your eyes or on spots. Go for cream blush for a natural flush and remove makeup gently with micellar water or a mix of cold milk and rose water. Tip 8. Beauty habits that matter. Good skin doesn't come from products alone, habits count too. Sleep on a clean pillowcase, avoid touching your face, and eat lots of veggies and fruits. Exercise a bit every day, even a short walk helps your skin glow. So there you have it, your personalized, glow-up guide to beautiful skin. No expensive brands, no harsh chemicals, just the right balance of love, care, and consistency. Stick with it, and you'll see the glow from within. Stay confident, stay radiant, and remember, you're already beautiful. Drop your skin type or questions in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more teen beauty tips.